Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're setting the stage for what I honestly like to call a digital mission. If you've been looking to step into the world of Binance, but felt completely overwhelmed by the setup and verification process, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down this entire journey into a fast-paced, totally stress-free mission. We'll be guiding you through every single click, scan, and verification step required to get your account fully operational.
Okay, let's dive into this. Are you ready to conquer this quest and finally unlock your Binance account? Setting up a secure financial profile online can sometimes feel like a daunting maze of endless forms and waiting periods. But it really truly doesn't have to be. We're going to map out the precise route you need to take right now. Let's navigate this maze together. The magic number for our mission today is literally just 7. That's right. According to the source material, verifying your identity to use your new Binance account is a highly streamlined, rapid process that takes only about 7 minutes of your active time. It's not some all-day affair, it's a quick sprint. And knowing that right up front should give you the confidence to just power through the whole shebang.
Phase 1. Registration and the secret hack. Let's get started at Binance.com.
Once you land on the homepage, step 1 is super straightforward. Just click on Register. Next up, you'll type in your email address and click Next. Binance is then going to shoot an email over to that address, just to confirm it's actually yours. So you hop over to your inbox, look for that email from Binance, copy the activation code inside, and paste it right back into the Binance registration page. Finally, you set a really strong, secure password. It's the standard digital handshake we're all totally used to by now. But hey, before you click Done, there is one absolutely critical thing you need to pay attention to.
10%. Right under where you set your password, you're going to see a field labeled Referral ID. This is the insider secret of the setup process. Entering a specific referral code here, which might be displayed right there on your registration screen or found in the description of whatever setup guide you happen to be following, is going to unlock a massive, continuous perk for your new account.
Let me read exactly what our source emphasizes here. Quote, "Applying this code will get you a 10% discount on all of your trading fees." End quote. Think about that for a second. By taking literally 2 seconds to copy and paste a referral ID before you hit that final Done button, you are securing a tangible, long-term discount on every single trade you ever make. It is a massive value add for practically zero effort. Once you've locked in that discount and clicked Done, your basic registration is officially complete.
Phase 2, the fast-track verification. Now that your basic account actually exists, this is where that 7-minute timer really begins ticking down.
Before you click absolutely anything else, let's check your mission inventory. You need exactly 2 things physically near you right now. First, a government-issued ID, so this can be an ID card or a passport. Second, a proof of address, like a recent bank statement or utility bill. Go grab those right now. Got them? Awesome. Once you have them in hand, just select your country on the screen and hit Continue.
And this brilliantly illustrates a major fork in the road. Binance actually gives you 2 different options to complete your identity verification. You can either continue hacking away on your desktop computer, or you can switch over and use video identification through the Binance app. Now here is the ultimate shortcut, and honestly the path strongly recommended by our source. Do not use your computer for this next part. According to Binance themselves, shifting to the mobile app is just miles faster and easier. All you have to do is grab your smartphone, scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen, and download the Binance app.
Once you've got the app open, go ahead and log into your newly created Binance account. You'll immediately want to click on Verify Identity. You'll select your country one more time and hit Continue. Now listen closely, because here's a spot where you have to be incredibly precise. You'll be asked to enter your personal details. I cannot stress this enough. Based on the source guide, make absolutely sure these details are perfectly consistent with the physical ID documents you gathered earlier. Do not use a nickname if your full legal name is what's printed on your passport. After entering those exact details, click Continue, select the issuing country of your ID, and choose exactly which document, like your passport or your ID card, you're going to be using. Because you're already on your phone, this next step is an absolute breeze. You just snap a picture of your chosen ID document using your smartphone's camera. But remember, clarity is key here. Before you submit that photo, just review it quickly. Make sure there's no terrible glare from a window and that all the text is easily readable. If it's kind of blurry, just retake it. A crisp, clear photo prevents a lot of annoying delays later on. Phase 3, the human touch and the finish line. You've submitted your digital details, but Binance goes one step further to ensure maximum security.
So the crucial point is this next step, the quick video call. I know, a video call sounds a bit intense for a standard app setup, but let's completely demystify it right now. You just click continue and then start call. All this is a super brief connection with a Binance agent where you physically hold up that exact same ID document to your camera just to confirm that the person holding the phone is actually the person in the ID picture. That's it. It's a completely standard, incredibly quick check to match your face to your document. Once that video agent gives you the green light, we hit the final administrative sprint. The momentum here is rapid. First, you'll enter your phone number and verify it by typing in a quick code they send you via text message. Next, Binance will present a couple of standard compliance questions. Just answer those honestly and click Continue. Which brings us to the very last hurdle, verifying your address. You'll type your home address into the app and click Continue.
And this is where that second piece of documentation from your inventory comes into play, your proof of address document. You'll select the specific type of document you're providing, whether it's that utility bill or the bank statement. But pay attention. There are strict criteria here to ensure you don't stumble right at the literal finish line. The document you upload absolutely must show your full name, and it must show your full address exactly as you entered it previously. If everything matches up perfectly, go ahead and upload it. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that it represents mission complete. Once that final document is submitted, a profound sense of relief can just wash right over you. Your active work is entirely done. You've officially completed the 7-minute identity verification process. Now, your application just goes into review. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and wait for an email from Binance confirming that your identity verification was successful. And boom, once that email hits your inbox, the doors are blown wide open. You will have full, unhindered access to all the features of the Binance platform. The hard part is entirely in the rearview mirror. So it leaves us with one final, super exciting thought to ponder as we wrap up this explainer. Now that you've successfully conquered the setup mission and you're ready to go, what is the very first thing you are going to trade?